Hello everyone, today we will learn about dictionary in C Sharp. So let's get started with the definition part. A dictionary in C Sharp is a generic collection of key value pair where each key must be unique. Advantage of dictionary is that it's a generic type. Generic type collection means you can specify what will be the key and value. Dictionary is defined under system.collection generic namespace, and you can increase the size as the key pair value will be added. I have also defined the syntax. Let's start with the program. So here I have already defined a dictionary example. So let's start. So first we will write dictionary. See, here option is coming, and see, key and values options are also coming with it. So you have to define the key and its value. For that I am using integer type for key, and for value I am using string. Now I have to define dictionary name as well as. So here I am using employee name. I think employee is fine, and then write new dictionary integer string, and then close the braces. So this is your, like, as the syntax mentioned in the above slide, in similar way you have to write this. Now we have to add values inside our dictionary. So for that I am using add method. So here I am using 1, and then I will write some employee name. So I'm writing here James. In similar way I will write few more employee details in this dictionary with their key and its value. So let's write one more, like Lily. In similar way write two more names. It's up to you, like how many names and how many key and its value you want to write inside your dictionary. See, now I have written these 4 employee name. And in the next step I want to print all these values. So for that I'm using this for each loop. So here I'm using where, cause we have both integer and string values in our dictionary. So I'm using where item. In employee, and one by one I want to print all these things. So for that I'm see, if you want to print all the values, then there is an option like you to print all those values directly. And if you want to put some condition, so like in this example I'm putting some condition here first to show you, like you can also print if you want to print any specific value. See, so I have given here item dot key which is greater than 1, which means the key 1 is there, so it will not print 1 and but print all the rest of the values like Lily, Harry and Albus. So now write console dot write line, and by using this interpolation I will write employee ID. So my key is my employee ID, and employee name is item dot value. Item dot key is greater than 1, so it will not print James if I run this program. So as you can see in this example, from dictionary except James, all the employee details are available in the output. Okay, so this is the one thing. Again, let me show you. See, 2 3 4 is there because we have given if one if condition, item key is greater than 1. Now I will so I hope you understand this. Now we'll make it. Oops, let me close this. Yeah, now I will write 0 here. So now it will print all these 4 employee details. So in this way you can easily write it. So I hope you understand this. What is the use of dictionary? It's basically to store like data and retrieve it whenever it is required. So I hope you understand. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.